For teen, Nissan hasn't changed much about the 370Z, which last received a major overhaul when it replaced the 350Z years back. But the 370Z is already a major player in the sport car market, so only refinements are truly needed. And for Nissan, that mostly means a new package, called the Heritage Edition. The Heritage Edition adds a few external colors, pearl white and deep pearl blue. It means unique exterior graphics, contrasting yellow trim and bolster stitching on the cloth seats, and yellow trim details on the steering wheel and shifter knob. Let's take a look at a few more features that make this 2019 Nissan 370Z a perfect car for the fun-loving crowd. Number 1. Small car, big power. The 370Z boasts an engine that makes the other competitors a little less enticing. The 370Z has a 4th generation VQ V6 3.7-liter engine that produces 332 horsepower and 270 pound-feet of torque. If that's not quite enough for you, you can upgrade to the Nismo edition, which nets you 350 horsepower and 276 pound-feet of torque. Either engine grades out around 19 mpg in the city or 26 mpg on the highway. Part of the 370Z's powerful but efficient motor comes from the continuously variable valve timing control system, CVT-CS for short, which constantly tunes your valve lift and timing for quicker response on a broader torque curve, which helps optimize fuel efficiency. Not to mention that Nissan has moved on to lighter, sturdier materials, such as the carbon fiber drive shaft, which helps the engine rev more quickly, and a carbon fiber composite radiator support structure, which saves on overall weight. If you can equip it, your driving experience is greatly improved with the SynchroRev Match technology, the world's first in any production vehicle. SynchroRev monitors speed, clutch, and more as you downshift in order to blip the throttle to the ideal engine RPM for supremely smooth downshifting. And the overall design features a 55-45 weight distribution, slightly different from the usual 50-50, so that when you accelerate out of a corner, it puts more weight on the rear, and you can achieve 50-50 in the midst of that boost for greater grip and speed in the clutch. This helps the 370Z feel tighter and more precise around the track. Number 2. Nismo Spirit. The 370Z features a trim level that honors the car's history in the Nismo edition. Along with the upgraded horsepower and torque, the Nismo adds finely tuned suspension, aerodynamic upgrades, aluminum trim pedals, Recaro racing seats, and a leather-wrapped steering wheel. This is part of Nissan's overall strategy of offering a variety of trim levels and additions so that you can find the 370Z that suits you best. But let's talk about the exterior for a moment. The regular 370Zs feature 18-inch Yokohama Advanced Sport high-performance tires on 19-inch forged alloy wheels, which are stronger and lighter than typical cast wheels. The Nismo upgrades you with 19-inch Dunlop SP Sport Max GT600 tires, wider and more aggressive. The Nismo also adds massive 14-inch 4-piston front brakes and 13.8-inch 2-piston rear brakes, the largest brakes ever offered on a 370Z. Overall, it's a striking look that makes it hard to resist. With performance to match, the 370Z is one to test drive. Number 3. Added benefits. Sport car buyers are likely well aware of this car's looks and performance, so lastly, let's talk about some modern additional features that improve the day-to-day experience. Nissan offers an available touchscreen with optional built-in navigation system that also monitors traffic for you. That's in addition to the nav weather service to help you when skies are gray. You can make hands-free phone calls with the aid of Bluetooth or play your music on your commute. And don't think you're missing out on storage space, because the 370Z's cargo area is plenty big enough for holding whatever items you need to haul. And it has a hidden parcel box for sensitive cargo, and a retractable cargo cover for added privacy. You can equip the Bose premium audio system if sound is your major need, or the nifty in-mirror rear view monitor, which gives you a better, clearer view of what's currently behind you. Not to mention various available safety features for peace of mind, such as anti-lock braking system, electronic brake distribution system, which sends extra force to the rear tires when heavy trunk weight is detected, and vehicle dynamic control, or VDC for short, which sends power and braking force through the appropriate wheels while cornering to help maintain road traction for better handling and acceleration. To conclude, the 2019 Nissan 370Z is the same sporty experience you remember from years past, with some subtle additional refinements. The trim-level modifications mean it's easier than ever to find the exact 370Z for all drivers. And its modest price point with great driving specs demands your attention. To get behind the wheel for yourself, contact Nissan Sunnyvale today. For more reviews and comparisons, let us know in the comments section what vehicles you'd like to see us talk about.